Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to focus with the Nikon D3300 camera. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. So basically, if you have this camera right here and you want to autofocus, really easy to do. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. It'll be a short video, short but sweet. So stay tuned, take some notes at home, and try on your own Nikon D3300 DSLR camera just like this. So enough with the intro. Essentially, you want to extend the lens so that it's out as far as you want it to be. You want to turn on the camera, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the live view. When you push the live view over here, it's going to allow you to see through the screen, through the viewfinder over here, through this screen. Actually, I think this is the viewfinder. This is the screen. But anyways, it's going to allow you to see through this. Now, when you want to focus, I'll show you what to do, and then I'll turn it towards you so you can see. Essentially, you want to take the shutter button and you want to press it down halfway. And you're going to listen for a beeping sound. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus over here. There's just a house over here. I'm pulled over on the side of the road. I know there's always school buses in the backgrounds of a lot of my videos, but I'm actually filming beside an auto repair shop, like a mechanic shop, and they do a lot of school bus repair. So just so you know, it's not a school. I can turn the camera. It's actually an auto repair shop, but you know, they just work on a lot of school buses. So anyways, there's a house over here. I'm going to hold the shutter button down about halfway, not fully, about halfway like this. And when you hear that beep, that lets you know that it focused, it autofocused. So I'll bring it closer. I'm going to let you hear once again. I'm going to press the shutter button down about halfway like this. And that beep lets you know that it autofocused. And what I'll do is I'll turn it towards me. Woo! There I am, baby, in the flesh. Well, in the screen. Anyways, I'll sign autographs after, if you know what I'm saying. But essentially what I'm going to do is just hold it down. So right now it's not really focusing. When I press and hold down the shutter halfway, just like that, it beeped, and now I'm focused. If I want to focus over here, once again, you see that little green dot over there, that little green box, right? That's where your focus is going to be. There you go. So now focused right there, right? I can go over here. And then now focused over there. That's how to focus. And then when you want, right, you can go and you can take the picture. So I can go ahead and I can autofocus over here. And I can autofocus, press it down halfway like this. Right? And then I can snap the picture. So I'm just going to snap the ceiling over here. Just like this. And we snap the picture. That's it. It's literally that simple. That is how to focus with a Nikon D3300 camera. Super easy to do. I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it in this video. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.